how to change your password on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your password on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here. After that click these 3 points and then click edit profile onto your here. Scroll down until you find security, then scroll down again until you find here password. Click on it. Now just type your new password and click continue. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.